Here's me painting a skull butterfly in my room, but when it comes to painting a real image, I suck. So I made up a plan. I have an idea I want to draw, and I give it to ChatGPT, which will make me an image. Then I project it onto my wall or onto my canvas. Then I draw the image and I'm happy. So I wrote my dear friend a message. And he sent me back this amazing image. First I needed to draw the background, so I went to work. The batteries of my camera went empty, so here's an image of the painting after about 2 hours. And here is the finished painting. To protect the painting from attackers, rain or gunfire, I added some acrylic paint. And to finish it off, I used some fire to kill all the bubbles that build while drying. Thank you for watching, and here is the end result.